Some of Uncle Sam's aircraft carrier boys are in the swim using the protected area inside the torpedo nets as a swimming pool. Warm Pacific waters converted into a pleasure ground for a change. Low-level diving is from a springboard, while those with a head for height take off from the flight deck. The anchor chain provides a little novelty for dive bomber pilots who like to take their sport as well as their work head down.